Hey everyone, very good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not a daily vlog or something. Actually on my way to install a new top box for my Charlie. I actually had this plan to install a top box for him. Also, especially I had an eye on this JB Racing 65 liter top box, aluminium top box. If you know about the Bandit Pit Stop, which is a Kerala based motorcycle accessory company, they had a stock. I was actually checking online, right? So I was checking their site, and when I hopped on to their site yesterday, saw that it's actually original MRP is around 17,000, and yesterday they offered it at 10,800, 10,890 something. It's kind of 30 to 40% flat, so I was like, why not? Anyhow, I have to buy it. Autonity. Alright, here it is. Basically the one we want is here. I just saw it, that version, JB Racing 65 liter. It comes with the two variants, black and the white, but the white doesn't go with my bike, so going with the blacker one. Rehan, Kartik. So we are going with the JB Racing 65 liter, the black color one. So he'll be explaining a little bit, specifications and all. Yeah, thanks.
So myself, Rehan, working for Autonity. Welcome to Autonity. So what do you want to know about the?
First of all, let's go with the quality and comparing to the other brands.
Right now we have two quality: ABS plastic and one is aluminium.
Okay.
In various range of capacity. We start from 26 liters to 65 liters as of now we have.
Okay.
And in that we have two boxes like induction cooker. This one. This comes with the induction.
Okay.
This thing. This is the console for that. And one more box we have the coolers where you can keep 3-4 cans in there.
Okay. Yeah.
Right now we don't have it.
Okay. So can I also see the 55 liter or 52?
55 liters.
Yeah. Just wanted to compare the size because people get confused with the 55 and the 65.
This 55. Yes. 60.
So you get literally this much of extra, the capacity. It's a 55 one, this is a 65.
This 45, this 55, this 65.
Alright. 45 liter, 55 liter, 65. There you go. And it's all from JB Racing only, right?
Yeah, it's all JB. This 22.
22. That's a 22 liter one.
This 15 liters.
What material is this? This like same aluminium only?
This is aluminium.
Okay.
With the blue shades.
Okay.
There are two more colors here.
Okay. Yeah. So these are the 15 liter, 22 liter, 45, 55 and the 65. There you go. Just want to know, like, we have a JB Racing, if we go by the cost wise, one with the affordable one is like JB Racing, or any other brand you want to suggest or something?
See, right now what we have here is JB Racing, especially the metal boxes, we have JB Racing. And apart from that, we have Shad, and we have got studs also, we have got SMK. Those are all the ABS fiber, ABS fiber boxes.
Okay.
So the metal boxes, aluminum boxes, we have the JB Racing.
Okay.
Mainly we deal with JB Racing.
Okay.
And this is a newer model, as you said, that's a glass finished one.
Okay.
So that's a new model which we have got, right?
That only comes with the 45 liter, yeah?
45 liters,
45.
yeah. For now, it's only for 45 liters.
Yeah, like that looks cool actually.
What do you ride?
I ride a Meteor 350.
Meteor 3.
Yeah. And this price is like currently it's, I saw like it was 16 or something. Now it's 10, 18.
We run offers then and then, so it is like according to the season and stuff. So it's about the offers what we run.
So any other offers are there, like
See, right now we have not got any update on the offers. So right now the price what is there on the tag, that's the price.
Okay.
But like in future, I'm not really sure if there might be offers on it.
Okay. Also, one of my friend had come for like fog lights and all. So he mentioned like there is an inaugural offer or something. He mentioned something.
Yeah, in some products we have the offers running.
So that is not included for the.
Yes, like right now if you see this also, the actual price is 14,999. The SP price, that is a special price. That is 9999. So that's a special price we are running. In most of the products you can see that. In the tag only we have mentioned. It's not only that like once we come and tell you, it's like before even bargaining or like making it less, like we make sure that we give you the tag itself.
Okay.
So through the tag only you will get to know, like it's for some people they don't even ask for the discount.
Correct.
But still if they ask or not, we make sure that we give you with the special price.
Alright. I forgot to ask him. The thing is like I already had a carrier plate installed from the motor care. So I got to know there is a carrier plate for this one as well, which comes with. So
it is not a carrier plate, bro. What comes with this is there is a plate.
Okay.
So which the box will fit into. So you put that plate on the top rack. So top rack is must for any bike. If you want to put it top rack is a must. So this plate will go and be bolted into the top rack.
Yeah.
So to remove it, so that is something like a clipping kind.
Yeah.
So you just unlock the key and press the button. The box comes out.
Okay.
So only with that plate the box will get fixed. That.
Okay. Okay.
So that is the useful of that plate. That plate and top rack is entirely different.
Okay. Basically, if you see in the show model, there is no reflectors installed here. Basically, there will be reflectors here and here. I think on the back side as well. But they have taken my bike for the installation, and they have the in-house workshop. Probably they will be installing that reflectors. While fitting the top box itself, I think. So there will be reflectors, don't worry about that. So once that top box is installed and once it comes here, I'll show you guys how it looks. So until then, stay tuned. So we basically get two keys with a top box, and let me just show you how to unlock, opening and all. Unlock, press the button. Okay, that's a slider, no? Okay. bikes just come, and we'll finish the billing and all, and I will meet you guys again with in-depth detail on the top box. But till then, stay tuned.